What's up guys, Jesse here with 6B Media, and today I'm going to show you what to do if your 98 to 02 Honda Accord will not start. Let's get into it. Alright guys, so first thing you're going to do is you're going to look on your dash. You're going to see if that green key comes on and goes out. If it sits here and flashes like that right there the whole time, this right here, what I'm about to show you, is going to be your fix. See, what I was doing is I would stick the key in, I'd turn it on, and all it would do is flash at me, and it would just turn over and turn over and turn over. I could play with it sometimes, and it would go out, and I could start the car. Well, that problem points to one thing, and that is the immobilizer that sits right behind the key. This is the little ring around the key that has your indicators show what position your key's in. If you're having that issue, this is your fix right here. So first thing you're going to do is remove this cover off the top. Alright, you remove that, it just snaps off, and then you remove this cover. It has 3 screws in it. You can see all 3 spots. That's just some grease there. Alright, now the first thing you're going to do when you get that off is you're going to pull this connector, you're going to pull it back, and you're going to slide it over to the side. And if you can see right here, that little shiny gold thing right there, that is your screw for the top. This one right here is your screw for the bottom. Next, once you have this removed and you have both covers off, you're going to remove this and this screen connector. Then you are going to come up top here. I'm going to try and get you a good view. Right there be it. But you're going to come up through this gap right here. This goes up under to the dash. You can reach underneath. You can reach underneath this panel, reach up, and feed your screwdriver up. And as you can see, you can just get onto that screw. If you have a longer screwdriver, that is the best. But all you do is remove that screw, these 3 connectors around there. And guys, that is all there is to removing that. You remove it. I'll leave a link in the description where you can buy a new one. If you don't want a new one, you can go get one from a junkyard. The thing is, you're just going to take the risk, see if it works or not. If you have the same issue where your vehicle will show the key and then it goes out just like that right there, and it still doesn't start, there's a relay located under the dash here, located right there with that connector in it. That is called your fuel pump relay. But that fuel pump relay is the other most common problem with these cars that will allow it not to start. So if you're having an issue where your key goes out and it still won't start, that would be your other fix. I believe they are like $10 to $15 on Amazon. They are a really easy part to find. The immobilizer, not so much. It is a discontinued part and it's a little hard to find, so I'm just going to leave a link. If you would like a new one, I'll leave the link. It was an eBay link. I know a lot of people kind of don't like eBay. A lot of people be biased toward Amazon or something like that. But this is the only new one that I've been able to find, so I'm going to leave the link. It did take a few days to get here. More than a few days. I think it took about a week or so. And I hope this video helped y'all. So if y'all enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe, and I appreciate y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one.